In this guide, we are going to show you how to easily redeem your Xbox gift card. So firstly, simply open up the Xbox app on your phone. And from here, simply tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then next, navigate to the settings icon. You'll then be able to see various options, so simply scroll down until you see support and feedback. Then go ahead and tap on help topics. And from here, simply locate an option that says play your games. Then scroll through and look for another option that says how to redeem gift cards and codes. And once you find it, simply select it. Then once you scroll down, you'll then be given various options on how you can redeem your gift card. So if you want to redeem your gift card on PC or mobile phone, simply select that option. And you'll then be given the link that you can use to enter your gift card. So simply tap redeem your code or gift card. This is then going to redirect you to a page where you can then enter your 25-character code. So simply enter your email and you'll then receive a code that will be sent to it. And from here, you can then enter your code in order to redeem it. So that's simply how to do it. I hope you found this insightful, and if you did, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.